Let's embark on a sweeping journey through time. Today, we're diving headfirst into the captivating history of that humble but indispensable tool of cleanliness, the broom. Buckle up, because this story is going to sweep you off your feet. Picture this. It's ancient times, and our ancestors are living in caves and primitive huts. Dust and dirt accumulate, and cleanliness is, well, not exactly their top priority. What do, you ask? Well, they didn't have Roombas, folks. They used their hands. But soon enough, they realized they needed a better solution. Our caveman inventors began with the basics: twigs, straw, or even animal hair. These materials had the potential to clear away the debris that plagued their homes. Imagine them swatting at dirt piles like oversized flies. Not very efficient, but it was a start. Now, a breakthrough moment in the saga. Someone had the brilliant idea of attaching their makeshift broom heads to a long stick. The broomstick was born. Suddenly, they could reach higher places and clean more effectively without bending down. We had the dawn of the broom, my friends. As societies progressed, so did the materials used for broom bristles. Medieval Europe saw the use of birch twigs and branches. Meanwhile, elsewhere in the world, folks got creative with palm fronds and local vegetation. Every culture added its own twist to the story, and the broom evolved accordingly. Fast forward to a time when civilization was flourishing, and enter the whisk broom. Imagine a bundle of bristles or straw, tied together at one end and attached to a handle. These nifty little tools were perfect for small, precise cleaning tasks, like whisking away crumbs from the dining table. With the Industrial Revolution came standardization and mass production. Suddenly, broom manufacturing was booming, and the modern broom was in the making. Bristles made from corn straw, synthetic fibers, or even horsehair found their way onto the scene, attached to wooden or plastic handles. In today's world, we've got brooms for every cleaning conundrum imaginable. Need to sweep your hardwood floor without scratching it? There's a broom for that. Got a mess in the garage? We've got the perfect broom for heavy-duty jobs. No task is too big or small for the broom industry. And there you have it, folks. The mesmerizing tale of how the broom came to be. From humble beginnings of twigs and straw to the specialized high-tech cleaning tools of today, the broom has swept its way into the hearts of homeowners and janitors worldwide. So, the next time you reach for your trusty broom, remember that you're wielding a piece of history. A tool that's been sweeping through time and making our lives cleaner, one bristle at a time.